Today we're going to make a galaxy. We're going to choose a few planets or a sun or whatever you want to add on to it later, but today we're just going to make our galaxy. This is what it's going to look like, and then next week we'll add our planets and our sun. So to start off with this, we're going to start off with a black piece of paper, and we're going to use our chalk. We will get a little dirty today, a little messy. That's okay. We'll have baby wipes at our table. We'll wash our hands when we're finished with our baby wipe. So to add our galaxy on here, we want to add some color. And you can do this however you like. We're going to take our chalk, any colors you want, and we're going to scribble them on our paper in different ways. You can make little wavy lines, or you can do spirals or swirls. It's up to you. But we're not going to hold them the regular way. We're actually going to lay them flat down on our table. And that's the way we are going to scoot it around our paper. So I'm going to hold it by the side, and I'm just going to do some wavy lines going around. And then I'm going to switch to a different color. You can choose whatever color you want. And I'm going to put a few more on there, just like so. And then I'm going to switch again. You can add as much color or as little color as you like. You can do it however you want. It does not have to be the way I'm doing it. Okay, once you like your color on there, we're going to take 2 fingers, not our whole hand, 2 fingers. And we're just going to go around our page and kind of blend the colors together. Just gently rub. You don't have to rub hard, just nice and smooth. This is the part that's going to get us kind of dirty and messy, but that's okay. We're going to get a baby wipe when we're finished. Alright, so there's my galaxy. And what we're going to do now is I'm going to come around the table with a spray bottle with some paint in it. And I'm going to spray your paper. And it's going to add some white paint to make it look like stars. Okay? And this is what it'll look like when it's finished. Once you have your stars on your paper, I want you to take your art to the drying rack. And we know how to carry our art to the drying rack. We're going to use our fingers and thumbs. We're going to pinch our paper with both sides, and we're going to gently carry it to the drying rack. Once you're done and you come back to your table, you can grab a baby wipe and you can use it to wash your hands first, and then I want you to wash all your table, get all the paint off. Today we're going to finish our galaxy by adding our planets on there. And what shape is a planet? It's a circle, yes. So circles are kind of hard to draw. So we've got some things to help us today draw our circles. We're going to use some different things as templates. We know that a template is just an object that helps you draw a perfect shape. You can use whatever you want as a template. You can look around your room or your house and find things that have circles to help you draw a circle. So we're going to use this cup, this little round circle here, and this paint palette. And we're going to use them to draw different circles on our art. Now I've got 4 planets on here. You don't have to put that many if you don't want. So what we're going to do is I want you to decide which way you want your picture to go. Go any way you want. And we're going to start off with our big planet. So go ahead and grab your big circle template and find some place on your art that you want it to go. It can be hanging off. See how it's hanging off there? Or it can be in the middle, wherever you want. And let's take our very first chalk color, any chalk color you want, and we're going to go around the outside of our template. And I want you to push down kind of hard. I want this to show up. So go around. Stay right next to your template. Don't let this slide around. If this slides around, it's not going to look like a circle. And make sure that your chalk is touching your template the whole time it's going around. Alright, so there's my first one. I'm going to set this to the side. I'm going to get a new color. And I'm going to do my second planet. Let's see, I'm going to do this one. I'm going to have it over here. Hold it down tight. We don't want it to move. And go around, round, 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 round. Push down hard. You may have to go over it a couple times to get it to show up. Go around, round, 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 round. Round, 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 round. Okay, I'm done with that one. And you can stop there if you want. But if you want to add another smaller planet, you can grab this little one. I'm going to kind of overlap it a little bit. I'm going to put it on top of this one. I'm going to choose another color. But when I draw this one, I'm not going to go over the big yellow one. I'm just going to start from this side and go around till I touch the yellow again. That'll make it look like it's behind the big one. See how I did that? How I didn't go all the way? It's up to you. You don't have to do it this way. Okay, so put that chalk away. We're going to do something now to make it look like they're glowing. So chalk is kind of fun because if you take your finger and kind of smear it a little bit around the outside edge, it make it look like it's glowing. So go around the outside. Now I'm not going back and forth. I'm going along with the line. See how I'm going around with the line? And I'm going to make it look like it's glowing by making it look kind of smeary. Take your time on this. Make it look really nice. Go around your yellow. Do all your planets. Okay, now we need to color these in. So we're going to take our chalk again. You can color them any color you want, but I want lots of color on there. So take your color and you can push it kind of hard. We want it to, and just put some color on there. Any colors you want. You can even overlap it a little bit. Color the whole planet in. Then go to your next one. Color it in. Push down kind of hard so it's nice and bright. Once you have all your planets done, we're going to take our fingers again and we're just going to blend one more time. So go around your planet and just kind of smooth the colors together. Stay inside your circle though. Don't go outside your circle. If you go outside your circle, it's not going to look like a planet anymore. So stay inside your circle. Now if you want to add a rocket ship, you can. Maybe you want to add a ring like Jupiter has. And Saturn. It's up to you. You don't have to. It kind of looks like a candy cane. It comes from the side. It goes out and then around. It's up to you. Maybe you want to add like a little moon that's circling one of the planets. It's your decision. Finish it up.